Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on Apple Watch Series 9. So, if you have the Apple Watch Series 9, either 44mm or 41mm, cellular with GPS or cellular only, now you want to learn how you can easily turn on your Apple Watch, then it's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on Apple Watch Series 9, all you need to do is locate the control center button beneath the digital crown and then press it. So you want to press like 2 seconds, or just press like you want to turn on the device. Once you press it, then let it go, then should say the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, then you are good. So this might take a couple of seconds before your Apple Watch is boosted to the home screen, and once you're on the home screen, you can just go ahead, type in your passcode. If you already set the passcode for the Apple Watch, to access it. Otherwise, this is going to take you straight to your Apple Watch home screen. But once you press the digital crown once and then release it, this is going to turn on the Apple Watch Series 9. After that, once you're on the home screen, just go ahead and type in your Apple Watch passcode, and that is it. So we are good. So that's exactly how to turn on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.